Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate National Geographic on Roku step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Roku device. Ensure that your Roku is connected to your TV and the internet. Navigate to the Roku home screen using your remote. Scroll down to find and select Streaming Channels. In the channel store, use the search bar to type National Geographic. Once the results appear, find and select the National Geographic channel. Choose the Add Channel option to install the app on your Roku. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate the National Geographic channel in your list of installed channels. Open the National Geographic channel by selecting it. Once the channel launches, you will see an activation screen. Make a note of the activation code displayed on your screen. Next, take a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the official activation website provided by National Geographic. Enter the activation code you noted from your Roku screen. Sign in with your cable or streaming service provider credentials. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Roku device. Refresh the National Geographic channel if necessary. You are now ready to enjoy National Geographic content on your Roku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.